नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं आपका फ्रेंड एंड मेंटर रोहित कक्कड़। इस वीडियो में मुझसे एक स्टूडेंट ने बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग जेई और नीट से रिलेटेड एक सवाल पूछा है। तो आप इस सवाल को सुनिएगा और इसका जवाब देखिएगा। सो प्लीज़ वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड ताकि आपको कंप्लीट नॉलेज मिल जाए उस सवाल पे जो एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सवाल है आपके जेई और नीट प्रिपरेशन में।
What is the difference between studies till class 10 and after that?
Okay, so very good question. What is the difference in studies till 10th and after that? Oh, yes. So, very good question. Others might also have this question. Anyone who would like to tell, those who are in 11th, from their experience? So let me give opportunity to the people there. कोई बोलना चाहेगा? Let me. Prince, would you like to speak? Siddharth. Okay, Siddharth. Yes, Siddharth. बोलो, बताओ सर को क्या डिफरेंस है?
सर 11th-12th में स्टडीज थोड़ी हायर लेवल की हो जाती हैं।
Okay, so let's compare. The first is high level. Okay, और बस एक ही पॉइंट.
और सर जो 11th-12th में जो स्टडीज होती हैं वो मतलब वैसे 10th से अलग होती हैं क्योंकि ये 10th का जो सीबीएसई का होता है और 11th-12th में बहुत बच्चे जैसे ही जेई की प्रिपरेशन करते हैं।
Okay, okay, good, very good. Anyone else?
Sir,
हाँ, ओंकार. Yes, बोलो.
sir, in 11th-12th it is more concept based, but
Concept.
in 10th it is mugging based. Most of the students mug up the concepts.
Correct. It is memory based.
Understand the
Yes,
basics.
very good. और
In 11th it is most required. You
Mhm.
cannot proceed further without understanding the concept.
Correct. Very good. ठीक है. See, till 10th, yes, very good. कोई और बोलना चाहेगा?
In 11th, you have to select your career line.
Correct. This is about your career. This is about your life. And this is about your studies. Yes, Yashwant.
Up to 10, the matter doesn't have any proof.
No proofs.
Clear explanation will not be given.
Yes. No clear or in-depth explanation. Okay. Derivations, proofs. Yes. In-depth knowledge.
एंड जो 11th-12th की जो कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट होता है वो प्रैक्टिकल लाइफ पे बेस्ड होता है।
Correct. Practical life. Very good.
Sir,
Yes, Sajid.
sir, like 11th, 12th, the concepts are interlinked or interconnected with each other.
Yes. Interlinking of concepts. Very good. I think we have covered almost all the points. Yes, that's the power of community that everyone is answering. Some definitions of 10th are taught wrong. Yes. See, in 10th, if you look at the subjects are wide, you have to study history also, geography also, Sanskrit and other social studies and so on. All these you have to study. In 11th and 12th, there are only 5 subjects, PCM or PCB, and then English and physical education. That's it. So that is also the difference. And till 10th, memory based, अगर आप याद करके चले जाते हैं, still you can get 95-97% marks. Okay, and it is about studies. It is about the marks that you are getting. It has no significance to your what career you are building, but it's about the base also. Those students who are serious till 10, their base is strong. That means base strong means that day one challenge. Day one challenge was on the basics, meaning of focus, momentum, inertia, viscosity, surface tension. All these are basics which we get used to or which we are taught since class 8th, 9th, and 10th. So those students who study in 8th, 9th, and 10th effectively, those who are focused in these standards, their basics are strong. Okay, apart from that, till 10th, we should also involve ourselves in other things. We should also involve ourselves in sports. We should also involve ourselves in music, maybe dance, maybe drama, and other aspects, so that we develop overall, our personality is overall developed. Okay, our extracurricular activity should also be there. There are no proofs, no derivations, no in-depth explanations. Some things rather in science are taught wrong till 10th, because they cannot give the logic behind those things, because the logic is high level. So they only talk to the basic level till 10th. Okay, but in 11th and 12th, everything is about now your career. It's about the life you're going to design for yourself. It's not just about the studies or the marks anymore. It's about the college, and then the college decides the career that you're going to have, the job and the business or whatever skills that you're going to develop. It's about that. It's high level. You start preparing for competitions. Okay, here also we have some competitions which are Olympiad level. Okay, and then it's mostly concept based. You have to understand in depth plus practice. You have to do at least 200 to 300 sums, 200 to 300 sums on each and every chapter in 11th and 12th. Till 10th, if you are doing 50, 60 or maximum 100 or maximum 50 also, then also it's fine. And it is very much related to the practical life. Whatever concept that you study, you can relate to car moving, okay, ball hitting the ball, projectile motion. All these things are very practical aspects if you are able to relate to. Then interlinking of concepts, very important points. The chapter 1 that you study, if your chapter 1 is not strong, your chapter 3 will also not be strong. If you are studying physics, if your NLM is not strong, then your friction, circular motion, center of mass, rotational, everything will not be strong, because everything is related to the free body diagrams and other things. But here in till 10th, it's not so. If let's say you don't know motion in a plane, or if you don't know motion, still you can study the chapter force very well, and still you can study the chapter electricity or magnetism very well. It does not matter whether you know motion or force or not. Okay, so these are some of the major differences between 10th and 11th and 12th. So hope this answers your question.
Thank you, Rohit, and thank you the community.
Yeah.
And because this is you're right. This is the benefit of the community.
Yes.
So we get the wide experience.
Correct.